Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's presentation entitled, I Don't Belong, Imposter Syndrome in the Legal Profession. My name's Brian Quinn. I'm an attorney, and I'm the Education and Outreach Coordinator for Lawyers Concerned for Lawyers of Pennsylvania, which is Pennsylvania's Lawyers Assistance Program. I've had this role since 2017. I'm a licensed Pennsylvania lawyer who has been in practice for the most part since 1973 when I graduated from law school. I've also got a little bit of experience in the drug and alcohol counseling field. I worked in suburban Philadelphia for a few years in that capacity as well. But primarily, this is my number one function right now, to reach as many lawyers as possible and kind of raise their awareness about some of the issues that we're all facing in our profession. And I think I'm going to spend a few minutes at least discussing lawyers assistance programs. I'll get back to that later. For the most part, I can tell you that we have 50 states and 50 lawyers assistance programs. We're not all the same. But for the most part, we are involved with helping not only lawyers, but judges, law students. I always urge people to check the Lawyers Assistance Program in their own state. As I said, not everybody is the same across the country. I believe that there is a link to the Directory of Lawyers Assistance Programs in this presentation. It's very easy to find the ABA Lawyers Assistance Program link. You can get it very easily. This is what we call our services slide. We're providers. For example, in Pennsylvania, we're not clinicians. There's no clinicians on our staff. I'm certainly not a clinician. I'm just a lawyer. And we provide free non-clinical services to Pennsylvania lawyers, judges, their family members, and law students in the form of a 24-hour, no strings attached confidential helpline and peer assistance program. We like to pride ourselves in the fact that we have that confidential helpline open 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, without any exception, and that a person answers that phone. There's no voicemail, because I can tell you that across the country, the number one reason why lawyers don't reach out to a lawyer's assistance program has to do with confidentiality, fear of disclosure, fear that it won't be held confidential. So we try to face that head on. There's no way that we would ever have anyone leave any